powerful winter storm continues to impact Calgary and the surrounding areas of southern Alberta, bringing dangerous winter conditions and widespread disruption. Heavy snowfall combined with strong winds has created blizzard-like conditions across the city, with snow accumulating rapidly on roads, sidewalks, and open areas.
Holy shit.
Visibility has dropped sharply at times due to blowing snow, making even short trips extremely risky as gusts sweep loose snow across streets and highways. Travel conditions remain hazardous throughout Calgary and nearby communities. Authorities are urging residents to avoid non-essential travel as multiple collisions and vehicles stuck in snowdrifts have been reported on major routes. Key highways connecting Calgary with other parts of Alberta have experienced significant slowdowns and temporary closures due to jackknife trucks and multi-vehicle accidents. Emergency responders are stretched as they assist stranded motorists and clear blocked roadways. At Calgary International Airport, winter conditions have caused operational disruptions. Snowfall and reduced visibility led to temporary pauses in flight activity, while crews worked to clear runways and taxiways. Passengers have been warned to expect delays and possible cancellations as airlines adjust schedules to changing weather conditions.
I'll tell ya, sure feels good to be a native Albertan today. I was just built different.
Airport staff continue round-the-clock snow removal operations to maintain safety and resume normal operations as soon as possible. Meteorologists report that strong wind gusts have intensified the storm's impact, driving snow across exposed areas and forming deep drifts. Additional snowfall is expected before the system gradually weakens later in the day. While snowfall rates may ease, blowing snow is likely to persist, continuing to reduce visibility and create slick driving conditions well into the evening hours. Temperatures across the region have dropped sharply as cold Arctic air settles over southern Alberta. Daytime temperatures remain well below freezing, while wind chill values make conditions feel significantly colder. Overnight temperatures are expected to remain bitterly cold, increasing the risk of frostbite for anyone exposed to the elements for extended periods. the cold snap is forecast to linger, keeping winter conditions firmly in place for the coming days. City services and emergency crews remain on high alert. Snowplows and sanding trucks are operating continuously to keep major roads and emergency routes open, while residential streets are being cleared as conditions allow. Authorities are reminding residents to shovel sidewalks, remove snow from vehicles, and ensure proper winter tires are in use. People are also encouraged to check on elderly neighbors and those with limited mobility during the extreme cold. Communities south of Calgary and in surrounding rural areas are experiencing similar severe conditions. Blowing snow has significantly reduced visibility on secondary roads, making rural travel especially dangerous. Officials warn that response times may be longer in remote areas due to weather conditions and urge residents to stay home unless travel is absolutely necessary. Local authorities continue to monitor the situation closely, coordinating with transportation departments and emergency management teams. Residents are advised to stay informed, follow safety guidance, and prepare for ongoing winter weather impacts. While no fatalities have been officially confirmed, numerous weather-related incidents are under review, and officials stress that caution remains essential until conditions fully improve.